Hello everyone, this is Pragya Chaturvedi presenting water purification on large scale. Introduction. Purification is the process of removing undesirable chemicals, biological contaminants, suspended solids and gases from contaminated water. It is very important to purify the water before it is used for domestic purpose. Definition. Water purification is the removal of contaminants, that is suspended solids, bacteria, algae, viruses, fungi from untreated water to produce drinking water that is pure enough to drink. Quality of water. Quality of water is many types, that is acceptability of water, microbiological content of water, chemical substances. This is the picture showing Swasth, how we can healthy, save water, better sanitation, personal hygiene, kitchen management and solid waste management. This picture is showing how can we preserve the water and how these are polluted. Acceptability of water. Acceptability of water is considered on the basis of physical characteristics. Example, the water is clear, sparkling, odorless, inorganic constituents. It has all the organic substances such as chloride, ammonia, hydrogen sulfide, iron, etc. Microbiological content of water. Ideally, the water should not contain any pathogenic organisms. The primary bacteria indicator recommend for controlling the risk of waterborne disease to infant and elderly in coliform group of organisms. Chemical substances. These substances can be inorganic and organic substances. The inorganic substances includes cadmium, arsenic, lead, mercury, nickel, etc. These substances are very injurious to health. Some of the organic substances which can be cause of rejection of water are chlorinated, alkanis, ethanes, etc. Water pollution. Not pure water does not occur in nature. It contains impurities of various kinds, natural and man-made. Natural impurities are not essentially dangerous. These comprise dissolved gases and dissolved minerals. Sources of water pollution. The sources of water pollution resulting from these are sewage, which contains decomposable organic matter and pathogenic agents, industrial and trade waste, which contains toxic agents ranging from metal salt to complex synthetic organic chemicals, agriculture pollution, which comprises the fertilizer and pesticides. These are the pictures showing population. Water related diseases. Men's health may be affected by the ingestion of contaminated water either directly or through food and by the use of contaminated water for purpose of personal hygiene and recreation. Water related diseases may be as classified followed: biological, waterborne diseases, chemicals. The picture of showing how waterborne diseases affect the person. Biological waterborne disease, those caused by the presence of ineffective agent, viral hepatitis A and E, poliomyelitis, rotavirus, diarrhea in infants, bacterial, typhoid and paratyphoid fever, E. coli, diarrhea, cholera, protozoal amoebiasis and giardiasis. Those due to presence of an aquatic host, snail and cyclogunia worms, fish tapeworms. Chemicals. These pollutants include detergent solvent, cyanides, heavy metals, minerals, dyes, sulfide, ammonia, organic acids. The water is associated with the following: dental health, cyanosis in infants, cardiovascular diseases. Types of purification of water. It is divided into two parts: purification of water on small scale, purification of water on large scale. This typical flow diagram of water from lake. Purification of water on a large scale. Water is treated and purified in large quantities for a large number of people for a city or a town. The component of a typical water purification system comprise one or more of following measures: storage, filtration and disinfection. First, storage. It is one of the method of purification which requires water to store naturally or artificially in reservoirs. Water is stored tanks and purified by three processes: physical process, chemical process, and biological process. This is a flowchart of purification of water. Then filtration. Filtration removes the fine flock particles and other suspended material by which further reduction occurs in the bacterial content of water. These are three filtrations: slow sand filters, rapid sand filters, and pressure filters. The basis of gravity and pressure, these are categorized follow: gravity filters, slow sand filters, rapid filter, and pressure filters. Slow sand filters were first devised when in 1829 James Simpson of England invented the filtration. Slow sand filters have the following elements: inlet chamber, filter media, and base material. Inlet chamber. Inlet chamber is an open tank of rectangular shape to receive the raw material. Inlet chamber sedimentation oxidation during waiting period of 3 to 12 before undergoing filtration. Filter media. Filter media consists of sand layer that is fine and coarse sand layer. There is a decreased rate of filtration in fine sand, whereas the coarse sand permits suspended particles and bacteria to pass through. Then the base material. The fine and coarse gravel form the base material. The depth of base material is 30 cm to 75 cm. Under drainage system. Under drainage system has one central and two lateral drains. The lateral drains collect the filtered water and forms here to move the central drains and moves towards the outlet. Then the filter control devices, it will control the filtration. Then rapid sand filters. Rapid sand filters have been used in highly industrialized country for filtering water. Disinfection. Disinfection means killing of pathogenic bacteria in water. Disinfection of water is necessary as water, even after filtration, contains some purity of bacteria. These are various methods such as boiling, light, and chemical methods. Thank you so much.